Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250. Get ready to witness pure motocross power and precision. This is the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250, a dirt bike built for champions. Husqvarna has taken an already proven platform and refined it even further with advanced engineering, lighter weight, and sharper handling. Engine and performance. At its heart, the FC 250 packs a 249.9 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, 4-stroke DOHC engine with liquid cooling and key-in electronic fuel injection. This setup delivers outstanding throttle response and incredible mid-range power. With a compression ratio of 14.5:1, the FC 250 pushes performance to new limits while remaining incredibly smooth and responsive on every terrain. Transmission and control. The bike features a 5-speed gearbox and a Brembo hydraulic clutch system that ensures smooth and precise shifting. Husqvarna has also included quick shift, launch control, and traction control, giving riders an extra edge during aggressive starts and challenging track conditions. Chassis and suspension. The 2025 model brings a newly designed chromium molybdenum steel frame with revised geometry for improved stability and rider feedback. The WP-Zacked $48 million front forks and WP-Zacked rear shock with linkage deliver excellent suspension performance and comfort, allowing the rider to push harder with more confidence. Design and build. Weighing only 101.2 kilograms, this dirt bike is built for agility. The seat height of 946 mm and ground clearance of 336 mm make it perfect for professional racers. The 7.2-liter fuel tank, Excel rims, and FMF titanium silencer in the factory edition add to its premium appeal. Electronics and features. The FC 250 includes advanced electronics like dual engine maps, quick shift, and launch control, offering complete customization for different tracks and conditions. The electric starter with a lightweight lithium-ion battery ensures instant ignition every time. Conclusion. The 2025 Husqvarna FC 250 isn't just another motocross bike, it's a race weapon. With its lighter chassis, refined power delivery, and advanced tech features, this machine is made to dominate on the dirt. If you want unbeatable performance, the FC 250 is ready to lead the pack. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.